how to see the dislikes on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the dislikes on YouTube video. If you notice the dislike button has disappeared, don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, before we get into it, it's important to know that YouTube has made some changes recently. They decided to hide the dislike count from public view on all videos, meaning the number of dislikes is no longer visible to regular users, but there's still a way to see it. Now let me simply click on one video. Now you can still click the dislike button to dislike a video, but the count will not appear for the general public. Only the creator can see it in their analytics. Now if you're using YouTube on your desktop, there's a workaround. You can use a browser extension called Return YouTube Dislike to bring back the dislike count. Here's how to do it. Just open your web browser on your desktop and simply go to Return YouTube Dislike and simply download this extension on your laptop or computer, and once it's installed, you can simply reload YouTube and the dislike count will be visible again under the videos. And there you go. While YouTube hides dislikes for most users, you can still bring them back with a browser extension. Or you can also use YouTube Studio. If you're a creator, you can see your disliked counts on your own video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.